What's up, guys? Here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily update for Bitcoin. We have a nice update. I have some things to tell you guys, and that's the important thing for the weekend. Guys, let me show you what's the next step for Bitcoin. Let's go with this analysis. Let's start. And here we are. Let's check this one. CoinMarketCap. What's going on? You can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit on the day, 0.14% in the minus. Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin, 1% in the minus. That means, guys, in 7 days, Bitcoin is going up 16%, really nice, and Ethereum is going up only 11.5%. So it's better to trade Bitcoin as Ethereum. If we are watching here the other coins, what can we see? The most coins are a little bit in the red one here. You can see the Binance coin is going up a little bit, yes, of course, but XRP is going down 0.4%, but in the week, 35% in the plus. Guys, I have a nice video out there. I made it yesterday for XRP. It's really important to watch it. I have some really nice stuff there for you. And if you are watching XRP, you know anything you need to know about XRP in the future. So here is ADA Cardano going down, Solana is going down, Avalanche is going up a little bit, Terra Luna is going down, Dogecoin is going up a little bit, and Polkadot is going down a little bit, and Shiba Inu is going up 50%. Guys, 50% in 7 days. The Bitcoin price prediction, what is telling us this one? We're going sideways maybe. This is telling us CoinCodex. We have here a bearish sentiment and the fear and greed index is neutral. Okay, we saw a better sentiment. Now we are bullish, 45% only, and we are bearish with 55%. If we are watching this stuff here, we will see maybe another bit down going Bitcoin. Here CoinCodex is telling us, okay, we will go up more and more, maybe 55,000. I can see here 55,000. I can see here 52, 53,000 in February. So CoinCodex is telling us, okay, we will not go down under 44,000. And okay, we need to watch, guys. We need to watch, you know, CoinCodex. Yes, of course. So here is the next big stuff. What's going up with the Bitcoin dominance? And yes, we are still in a nice uptrend. You can see it here. Everything is okay. But in the little picture, in the short picture, in the short time frame, we are building a little sideways going parallel channel. And that means, guys, we need to break out to the upside for more market cap dominance. And that's the time to trade Bitcoin. It's better to trade Bitcoin if we are going up with the market cap dominance as the altcoins. You know, guys, we have over 17,000, I think 400, 500 coins for the moment. And the big question is always, what coin should I trade? So here is Bitcoin, a little price prediction. Yes, we are in a sideways going channel. Here we can see the VPVR, and we can see, yes, the price here, the most price action is about 44,200. That's the biggest spike here to the sideways line. And now let's check this one. This was my last picture yesterday. And I told you guys, attention. Watch the big resistance on the upside. Yesterday, we saw a nice spike to the upside. In this moment, I made the video with the nice spike to the upside. And I told you guys, okay, yes, we are mooning, but watch the video from yesterday, but attention, we are buying here we have here a big resistance, and maybe we see a retracement. And this big resistance is coming here from the left side. It was long time as support, and now it's a big resistance. And yes, we went down. I also showed you here, guys, attention, maybe we're buying an M pattern. So what happened? You know it, guys, big spikes to the upside. We will see maybe a price action that's going down, and always, yes, it's working really on the most times. We saw a big spike to the upside. That's for me the sign for go out for the trade, for going out to the trade. Sorry, guys. And yes, I went out of the trade on the upside on a resistance. I sold there, and the big question is now what's going on. And the big thing is, guys, we made a bad thing. We made a new lower low. Let me show you. I told you yesterday, okay, everything is perfect as long as we are making higher lows. What happened? Made a lower low. We made a lower low, and that's a big thing, guys. We saw 42,700 here on the left side, and now we have a new lower low, 42,586. That's a new lower low, and that's a little bit dangerous. It's only on a 1 hour time frame. I know it, guys, but it's frightening me a little bit. Yes, we're going up for the moment. Yes, we are up over the 0.236 Fibonacci line, 43,600. Yes, we are over this line. It's the next support. If we're going down again, okay, that's nice on a 1 hour time frame. But we made the new lower low. The other side is, guys, we made a higher high. So big question. What's going on now? It's the weekend coming in. It's the maybe Bloody Sunday coming in. We need to watch this stuff. And if you're watching the RSI on the downside, what's telling us this one? We are on the middle, not overbought, not oversold. And we can make, let's zoom up a little bit because it's not so unimportant to watch the RSI. We can make here a line. First of all, a line from here to here, that's the big resistance. Okay, a lot of space to the upside, that's good for Bitcoin. But we need to make this line also a next resistance line. A little space to the upside, that's also good for Bitcoin. Maybe we will go up here 44,500, something about this. Then we will reach maybe the resistance line, and then the big question is, can we break it? Can we break the RSI resistance? Yes or no, or will we go down from here? So that's the big thing in my opinion. This M pattern will end here on 41,400. So if we're going down more and more, 41,400, it's not impossible. Watch this. Okay, that's this stuff. Yes, of course, we are in a sideways going channel, and yes, we need to break 45,500. If we can break it, moon Bitcoin. But we have to watch, guys. Let's check the next thing on the downside. No, we don't need a double RSI, Biti. What do you want here? We need a moving average. Where is my MACD? MACD, I need you. MACD, here it is. Damn, I'm searching this so long. So MACD, what's going on in the 1 hour time frame? The 1 hour time frame is bullish. Yes, we saw here a nice breaking blue line over the brown line. We are going up here. Everything is okay. We are buying the first green candles. That's bullish. But the 1 hour time frame is not so important as the 4 hour, guys. You know it. Let's check the 4 hour. What is happening here now? That's looking not so nice. We saw here a bad cross blue line under the brown line. And since this point, we are going down with the MACD. We are buying big candles to the downside. And now we have the first candle on the 4 hour time frame that's going up a little bit more. That's good. That's bullish. But we need more of this, guys. We have 2 hours to close this candle. And maybe this is the next trend reversal. Maybe we'll see now more power to the upside. If we see here, we are buying more and more of these light red candles to the upside. So what's going on here on the next time frame? Let me show you the RSI on the 4 hour. Yes, look at this, guys. It's a really nice RSI support line. Guys, these lines are really necessary for trading because you can see Bitcoin is reacting so perfectly. So we saw here a nice next rejection here. We saw the first point here. We saw the next point here in February. This was the third one. And after this, now here, February 11th, we saw a next rejection from this RSI to the upside. That's really good. So, okay, RSI is going up. The price is going up. And what's happening here? We have the next big resistance here. So you know it. We have on the bottom here a nice support. We have a little space to the upside, and I think in the next few hours we will see maybe a next big breakout to the upside or to the downside, because we will see a break to the upside here of this resistance line, or maybe we will go down here from the middle line, and this would be a bigger dump to the downside, maybe 41,400. Possible. Okay. Guys, this is, if you are watching the RSI, a big thing on the 4 hour time frame, and please watch it. It's really important to watch it. What's the next big stuff? Daily time frame. The daily time frame is here, and you can see, yes, on the daily time frame, the candles are going down. That's really good. That's really nice. We need this for a next pump. Sorry, no, guys, we need this not. This is a bad sign if the candles are going down. MACD, watch it on the downside. The candles are light green and they are going down and down and down. Maybe we'll see the next cross blue line under the brown line. This would be a bad sign. So guys, if you are shorting Bitcoin, that's good for you. If you are in a long position, that's not good for you if we see this one here. Okay, that's enough for the indicators. Let me show you the next big stuff. 50-minute time frame. Why it is so important to watch the 50-minute time frame, guys? I can show you this one because we have some things to watch. First of all, let me check this one. Indicators. We need our EMA ribbon band. That's now really important on the 15-minute time frame. Why? Here it is. You can see the yellow line is our big resistance. Why do I know this stuff, guys? It's really easy because I'm watching my own live stream. My live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week is on YouTube and Twitch. Here you can see on the right side, 15-minute time frame live. What's going on? We are fighting with the EMA 200, and you can see, yes, we have a long signal here with the ribbon band, but we have a big resistance now. We need to fight back the EMA 200. So would I go long now? No, I would not go long under the EMA 200 with this fight. The long position was on the bottom. You saw a nice buy signal here, but now it's not the perfect time to go long. We need to watch if we can fight it back. On the left side here, you can see the 1 hour time frame. Yes, here we have a buy signal. Nice. We have here the ribbon band. We are fighting here perfectly with the ribbon band. You can see it here. You can see the RSI on the downside. You can see the 4-hour time frame on the downside, and you can see the daily time frame on the downside. And here on the right side, on the daily, you can see, oh, we have so a nice buy signal here. We are going up. We are over the ribbon band. Everything is okay. Everything is good for Bitcoin for a long position. And here, attention, we have a sell signal on the 4-hour time frame. Guys, it's important to watch this stuff here, this live stream. You can see this all for free on YouTube and on Twitter. So that's why I'm showing you the 50-minute time frame now. That's why I'm showing you the EMA 200 as a big resistance. And the long signal is here, but the fight is here. We can see a nice parallel channel to the upside. What's happening now? We are here on the upper line of this parallel channel. So we need to watch this. I think it's possible to see a bigger move in the next few minutes, in the next hour maybe, because that's really important. On the 1-hour time frame, we are building the first candle now over the ribbon band. That's really important, guys. We need this. We need here confirmed closing candles over the ribbon band. That's the next big stuff. We have here time 57 minutes for the moment to close this candle over the ribbon band. If we will see this would be maybe a next sign for a next pump, because the ribbon band is then our friend and our support. Everything is good if we are watching this one. 1 hour time. Let's take. Let me show you some stuff more. 11 minutes, guys. Oh, okay, I know it. I will hurry up, I will promise. Let me show you the 4-hour time frame. I have some interesting stuff here also. Why? Look at the ribbon band, guys. Look at the ribbon band, green, nice ribbon band. We are over this ribbon band and we have time 2 hours to close this confirmed closing candle. To see a confirmed closing candle, guys, over the ribbon band. 43,600 must hold now for the next 2 hours. If we can see the next confirmed closing candle here, everything is okay. But watch on this bad lower low, guys. On the daily time frame, everything is okay. We have a red ribbon band here, but we are fighting with this ribbon band, and we still have, for the moment, confirmed closing candles over the ribbon band. We need this one because we will see maybe in the near future a green ribbon band, a long signal, and this would be really nice. For the moment, it's important that we see this confirmed closing candles over the ribbon. You can see we have here the line chart, and if we are watching the line chart, I can show you here something on the 4-hour time frame. It's better to watch. Yes, here it is. What would I like to show you? This one is here now important. We have a big, on the 4-hour time frame, a big rising wedge for the moment. And let me remove this stuff, guys. You can see, if you're watching the bigger picture, it's always important to watch the bigger picture. We are fighting over the ribbon band. We are fighting over the EMA. No, sorry, we are fighting over the Fibonacci line. Sorry, guys, 0.382 Fibonacci line, 43,500, and we are fighting over this line. And we are building now here a little triangle to the upside. And the big thing is, I think we will see here really fast from this sideways going Bitcoin, a breakout to the upper to the downside. And we have now on the downside big support 43,500, and we have here a big resistance 45,000. So we need to fight back 45,000. We need to fight back this resistance line on the upside, and after this we will see a next big pump. But here is a lot of resistance for the moment. So before we end this video, here is the golden cross death cross indicator on the 4-hour time frame. Yes, of course, we are in a golden cross. Everything is okay. On the daily, we are in a death cross. Look at this. It's looking not so good on the daily time frame. Maybe we can go down here more and more. And on the 1-hour time frame, let me show you. We have here a golden cross, but we are fighting with the green line. We lost here a green line, and we tried to fight back the green line. So we need 44,000. This is the green line for the moment, the price for the green line. And we need to fight back this line. So guys, you have a lot of things that you have to watch. You need now a lot of things for the weekend. I think that's a really important stuff. And now let me show you here a Fibonacci from the downside to the upside. And what is the big thing? What is if we are breaking down more and more? Where are the next support lines? Watch this point, 42,500. That's the next big support. Watch the next one, 40,700. That's the next big support. And if we will go down more and more like this one, we have a big thing to watch, because this is our support line coming from the downside, 40,000. Depends always where we will hit this line. So guys, now I think you have a lot of information. You need these information if you are trading. That's not a financial advice, guys. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor, but I show you how I'm trading. I'm trading over 5 years, and it's making me a lot of fun to show you this stuff. Guys, have a nice time. Yours, Biti. Ciao.